Now moving on to a case that we have been tracking on Magic Bricks now, the shocking Bhiwandi cooperator Manoj Mahatre's murder case. Now the Bhiwandi police have arrested two accused, Mahesh Pandit Mahatre and Mayur alias Coco Prakash Mahatre. Richa Sharma gets us more details on this case.
The Narpoli police station in Bhiwandi arrested two accused in the murder case of Congress corporator Manoj Mahatre, who was brutally beaten and shot to death just outside his residence. Now, the two accused have been identified as Mahesh Mahatre and Mayur Mahatre, who are connected to the main accused Prashant Mahatre, who is still to be arrested in this case. Now, the police is stating that in this whole case, there is political vendetta as the motive of this murder, and Prashant Mahatre wanted the same ticket from the same ward as Manoj Mahatre, the late deceased, was a corporator and winning from the last 3 times, which he wasn't getting. And to revenge against this, he murdered Manoj Mahatre right outside his residence. The police has applied Section 302 under the Arms Act on these two people who were arrested, and the investigation is still on in this case, and the search is still on in this case for the rest of the accused who are still absconding in the murder case of Manoj Mahatre. This is Richa Sharma for Magic Bricks Now.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.